Evening, ma'am. Thank you for joining us today. Ma'am, like the startup ecosystem is blooming day by day. And how do you see that ecosystem in Odisha and its future?
Sure, thanks for asking me this question. And before that, I will just give a brief idea about the experience what I have. So I quit my corporate life and I shifted to Bhubaneswar. I was very much well settled in Bangalore. So the reason being I started my own startup is seeing the opportunities, creating more employment opportunities. That's how I launched my own Icon and I consultancy, which is into manpower hiring services. And we did a lot of research in Bhubaneswar, in Odisha, how companies are coming up. So we connected with many business owners and the outsiders, people who are also again a business bureaucrats. So they have lot of long-term projects which is coming up in Odisha, and I feel proud many companies are setting up their own organizations and coming up with different type of innovative skill set hiring which is happening in Odisha. It has been changed. So it's been last 10 years when I realized we had lack of lot of opportunities and skill of sets. So now things have changed a lot. So I see people most probably stay back developing themselves on the requirement of the skill set. If you see Cognizant, IT companies are coming up and we see a lot of scope of opportunity, different criteria. So hopefully people will stay back, grow themselves, and people who are stay outside, like example of me, are coming back to Odisha to start their own of something. And for me, it is more about bringing changes, putting more into the gender equality, making lot of social impact in the society. So I think these are the things which is mainly need to get focus, and we should mainly also focus on getting giving opportunities to the female workers who has taken the career breaks, giving them financially independent. So these are the couple of things, and I see a lot of opportunities may happen. And with the help of support of leadership team, we are hopeful we'll have a good startup over here. So many
Ma'am,
companies will come up.
like your visions are exceptional, I can say, putting up your effort. Ma'am, you are a visionary leader in front of many women and many women entrepreneurs. So, like, what are your message to the particular women entrepreneurs?
Yeah. So very good question. So first thing I will suggest focus on your dream, don't give up. And it's very important to be financially independent, have your independent life with own decision making skills. So these are the three things which I need to focus over here for a woman, and we all are here to support each other, upgrade each other. So yeah, it's a good platform where we enrich ourselves with many organizations helping each other to grow. So this will be my essay.
Thank you, ma'am, for joining us and sharing your experience. Thank you.